Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Pokemon Sleep, every main skills and subskills. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Pokemon Sleep is a special game where you can interact with Pokemon while you sleep. So it's designed to make your sleep time more enjoyable and fun. In the game, each Pokemon has different abilities called main skills and sub-skills. Main skills are unique powers that only one specific Pokemon can have, like making your Pokemon's attack stronger. Sub-skills are like extra boost that any Pokemon can have to help them do better in the game. So these skills make your Pokemon stronger, so help them find things and do cool stuffs as well. Knowing about these skills is really important because it helps you decide which skills are the best for your Pokemon team. This way, you can use the right skills to make your Pokemon even better at playing the game. So on this video, we're using the website cerebi.net. So we'll link this one into the description so that we will use this as a guide onto going over through all of the skills. So let's start with main skills. So a quick overview in Pokemon Sleep, each Pokemon has its own special abilities called main skills. Think of this as superpowers that only that specific Pokemon can use. So these abilities can really boost your Pokemon's performance. For example, some main skills make your Pokemon's attack super strong, while others help them find valuable items. So these skills are divided into different groups, and each one has its own unique benefits. So they're like the special moves your Pokemon can use while you're dreaming away. So in Pokemon Sleep, the main skills are grouped into different categories, each with a specific focus on enhancing various aspects of your Pokemon's abilities. These categories allow you to tailor your Pokemon's strength according to your preferred style of play. Let's take a closer look at these distinct skill categories and how they contribute to your Pokemon's journey in the game. So first off, we have is charge skills. These skills focus on making your Pokemon's normal attack even more powerful. So there are three levels: Charge String S, M, and the mightiest Charge String M. So this M level skills gives the biggest boost to your normal attacks, making it a top choice if you're looking to deal serious damage to your opponents. Now let's dig deeper on what this skill offers. So as you can see onto this Charge Strength M, it increases Snorlax strength by 880. So you'll just need to click onto that one so that we'll gather more information regarding this specific main skill. And as you can see, it redirected you to the list of skills upgrade. So as you can see in here on level 1, it's 880, the base strength, but when you're already on the level 6, it will got you up until 4,546 base strength. So you can also see the list of all the Pokemons that may have the Charge Strength M as their skill. So we have your Marif, Fluffy, Ampharos, Sudowoodo, Espeon, Ponsly, and the type of Pokemon that they are, the Electric, we have Rock and Psychic, and also their snoozing styles. So we have your Slumbering, Snoozing, and you can also click onto the skills on specialty so that you will know what are the special skills that they offer. So moving on to Dream Shard and Energy skills. Dream Shards are important for leveling up your Pokemon, and some main skills can help you gather these valuable shards. Dream Shard Magnet S and Dream Shard Magnet M are the main skills that let you collect these shards. So energy skills like Energizing Aura S and Charge Energy S focus on restoring energy to your team members. These skills can be super helpful in making sure your Pokemon are ready to go after a good night's sleep. Now let's go over through the details of this. So for Dream Shard Magnet S, you can see in here that you can obtain 88 Dream Shards for this. And for this other Dream Shard Magnet S, you can obtain 44 to 176 Dream Shard. Now let's talk about helping skills and ingredient skills next. Helping skills are all about teamwork and speeding up how quickly your Pokemon can help out. Skills like Helping Bonus, Helping Speed M, and Helping Speed S make your Pokemon better at assisting you. Then there are ingredient skills like Ingredient Finder M that boost the chances of finding ingredients when you're out and about. So these skills are all about making your journey smoother and more efficient. So let's go over the details of this one. So let's start with the extra helpful S. So this instantly gets you times 4 the usual help from a helper Pokemon. And for ingredient magnet S, it gets you 6 ingredients chosen at random. So make sure to choose wisely since these are really important. They can make your Pokemon adventures much easier and more enjoyable. Helping skills help your Pokemon assist you faster, saving you time and making things smoother. If you're in a hurry or need help quickly, having strong helping skills can be a game changer. On the other hand, ingredient skills are all about finding valuable ingredients more easily. These skills can help you gather ingredients to make delicious meals that boost your Pokemon's energy and abilities. Now let's move on to cooking and metronome skills. So these skills add another layer of strategy to the game. Cooking Pyro Up lets you cook up more dishes by expanding your cooking space. And Metronome is a fun skill that triggers a random main skill during battles. It's like a surprise move that keeps the battle interesting and unpredictable. So let's read through the details of this. So as you can see on the description for Cooking Power Up S, it gives your pot room for 7 more ingredients next time you cook. And for Metronome, it uses one randomly chosen main skill. Now let's head over to choosing the right subskills for your Pokemon. So this is a decision that requires careful consideration. Subskills are like additional boosts that can enhance your Pokemon's performance even further. So they are categorized into different rarities: Calming White, Rare Silver, and Very Rare, which is Gold. These subskills can significantly influence your Pokemon's ability during gameplay, and it's important to make thoughtful choices. When deciding on the best subskills to consider, it's a good idea to check out the complete list on this website. Here you can find the names of the subskills, their descriptions, their rarity levels, and whether they are upgradable. This detailed information will help you make more informed decisions about which subskills align with your Pokemon's strength and your desired game style. Remember that sub-skills can enhance your main skills, increase the likelihood of triggering specific abilities, boost energy recovery, and provide various other advantages. And since sub-skills play a crucial role in shaping your Pokemon's performance, it's advisable to think thoroughly about the skills that complement your strategic goals. Are you focused on battling, collecting items, or excelling in other areas? Each sub-skills can provide a unique advantage, so consider how they align with your preferred playstyle. By carefully assessing your options and understanding how subskills interact with your main skills, you'll be better equipped to build a formidable Pokemon team that excels in every aspect of the game. To sum it up, Pokemon Sleep isn't just about having cool dreams with your favorite Pokemon. It's about strategy and making your team the best it can be. The main skills and sub-skills you can choose can really change the game for you. By understanding the skills, you're setting yourself up for the success in battles, collecting items, and all the adventures in between. So there you have it, trainers. Pokemon Sleep is more than just a game. It's a journey into the dreamy world of Pokemon. So whether you're focusing on battles, exploring, or cooking up amazing meals, these main skills and sub-skills will play a big role in your success. So if you've liked this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for more awesome content. Thank you very much for tuning in, and until next time, happy dreaming and happy Pokemon training.